Alright, welcome back, students. So, you may have gathered your thoughts already. I've given you the 5 to 10 minutes that you needed to collaborate for this last question. And the question was again, what impact do these descriptions have on the text? The British, under the command of Lord Charles Cornwallis, had about 2,100 soldiers. The Americans were commanded by General Horatio Gates and had about 3,700 soldiers. Of the American forces, only 1,500 were regulated soldiers. The remaining troops were militia, which were citizens who had volunteered for the war. So basically, what I'm asking here is, why is this quote so important for the text? And I'm going to highlight a couple things. And from my understanding, this showed how prepared, or I should say more prepared, the British were. I mean, we already highlight some parts, but Camden was so secured, or it was so occupied by the British that the Americans had trouble getting supplies, so they had to go down there and try to infiltrate that. So there's that part. And they were also more prepared than the Americans, like I said, and it shows with the strategy that, or the actions of the general right here, General Gates, and they weren't mentally prepared at all, the Americans, and you can tell with this phrase right here. Most of the militia panicked with the first shots from the British and left the battleground. And obviously, by doing that, at the end of the battle, over half of the American forces were either killed, wounded, or taken prisoner. This was obviously a big blow, like it says in the text of the battle, and obviously General George Gates, or General Gates, lost his job because of it. So basically, this is your own words as well. It just shows how much of preparation was needed by the Americans to even win this war, and yeah, that was basically the key for them to win this was preparation, and they did not have it. So yeah, that was the article, and Professor Dennis, thank you for your help, and see you soon.